I'm Cody Ward. This is my science project. I'm doing Elephant Toothpaste. If most of you don't know what it is, it's basically a foamy explosion that comes out of this here bottle. So the ingredients that I have is a 6% hydrogen peroxide, some Dawn dish soap, which I'm going to have a tablespoon of. I'm having a cup of hydrogen peroxide. I have some food coloring, blue and yellow. I have a cup, and I have dry yeast. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my hydrogen peroxide, pour that, and then pour it into the bottle. Now that that's done, then I'm going to put 6 drops of food coloring into the hydrogen peroxide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And next I'm going to put the Dawn dish soap into my mix of food coloring and hydrogen peroxide. So that. Okay. So now that's done, Byron's going to go heat up some water. And so basically I'm going to fill this up with 3 tablespoons of hot water in order to activate the yeast. So, okay. There you go, there's 3 tablespoons. I have open dry yeast right now and pour that into my warm water. Then I mix for 20 seconds in order to activate the yeast. So shake that some. Oh yeah, multitasker right there. Okay, so that should activate my yeast. I don't want to put that anywhere. So now comes the foaminess. So basically, pour this in here, and the foaminess begins. Hey! What? And basically the yeast is acting as like a chemical in order to activate the vinegar as foam, which is pretty cool. The foam itself is hot, and yeah. So there's the first one. Next, I'm gonna do more hydrogen peroxide, and that's what I'm testing. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Welcome back to Cody's experiment with Elephant Toothpaste. Now I have a new bottle, and I'm going to do the same thing, except with this time I'm going to put more hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to double the amount of hydrogen peroxide to an entire cup instead of half a cup. So nothing else will change, it's just hydrogen peroxide. So basically I'm going to do the exact same procedures. So add half a cup, add half a cup right now of hydrogen peroxide. Oh. Okay, then I'm going to add one more to act as my control variable. Okay, there we go. Oh gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to put blue instead of yellow in order to really make it colorful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so then now I'm gonna add a dish soap. So pour that right in there. So then now I'm gonna shake it up. And Byron warms up my hot water in order to activate the yeast. Shake that up some. Get nice and blue. So now I'm going to get my tablespoons. Oh, it's hot water. Turn that off. And with that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have my stirring device. Pour the yeast into the hot water, which will activate the yeast. That I need to pour, that I need to stir. So while I stir, oh, it stinks. Okay. That should be about right. Oh, it should be right. So now I'm going to pour it in and let's let the magic begin. Ah, it's coming. Ah! There we go. It seems like it affected it maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit more is coming out. Just going to put that right there. Yeah. So now it's more dome shaped, obviously. Oh man, that's coming over the edge. No, can't use that. My old bottle. And oh yeah, I'm stupid. I'll get a paper towel for that. Made it. I'm awesome. Thank you guys for watching my. Is it going over the edge over there?
No.
Not yet.
Go.
Just start.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, we're back. And so for the last part of this, in conclusion, the yellow mix, it more shot out and it more sped around. I think with this one, more hydrogen peroxide made a little bit more of a dome in order to really activate the yeast even more with the chemical reaction. It is honestly a little warm to touch because it is a chemical reaction. But just for the fun of it, I wanted to see what would happen if I mixed the yellow and the blue up. Just to see. I can't see it. Somebody tell me what color this is.
Green.
Is that green?
Nope, it doesn't. Maybe a little bit.
Makes it a little green. Maybe more like a turquoise than green. But yeah, this is a really fun experiment. Yeah. So my partner is Lucas, who couldn't be here today, sadly. Really missed out on some fun. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, and I'll see you guys later.